Hey guys, welcome back to Antonio Howl and Hammer DIY Adventures with Paws. Today's segment is that we are doing a beautiful glass motif backsplash on this kitchen that we have redesigned. I just kind of want to run down, what you want to do for preparation and that sort of stuff. First of all, you want to make sure that all your backsplash, where you're going to put the tile, is nice and smooth and you have a good flat finish. This is all new drywall behind here. We replaced it. So it's nice and smooth. It's ready to go. So we started laying some of our tile here. We are using a glass mosaic tile, like so. This is a 3x10. And we are using the glue here that they recommend, Acrylic Pro. It's already mixed. It makes the job super easy. You want to make sure the backs of your tiles are nice and dry. Make sure you wipe down the walls. Make sure they're nice and clean and dry. Do any spackle touch-up if you have to do any spackle touch-up. So we're placing each tile in place. We're buttering up the walls with our ridge tile trowel here. This is a 1/8 inch trowel, I believe. So we're going to kind of give you a rundown how to lay some tile and then maybe get it grouted too. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, so I buttered up a small area right here to lay tile. One thing you want to do is you want to just butter up just enough of an area to lay a bunch of tile. Because if you butter too much up, then the glue starts to dry. So you want to get those laid in there, and then you can butter up another area as well. We're going to work our way up here, cut around the receptacles and stuff like that, and keep rocking and rolling. So it's the end of the day, you guys. We got the desk area that I built. This area is all done. We just have to grout everything. Everything's all set and ready for grout. So with a little patience and time, you guys can do this. We are at the grouting stage. All the tile work's done. Few things you guys want to do first. You want to get some nice clean Home Depot buckets, okay? Because you're going to have one bucket which is going to have water for your rinsing of your sponge. You're going to have one bucket for your grout. You're going to mix your grout in here. You want that to be nice and clean, especially if you're working with a white grout. So you want everything nice and clean so you don't get any dirt or any debris into your white grout, okay? I always put a bucket underneath so you don't have to bend over. You want to get a grout trowel, okay? Grout. So make sure you guys buy yourself a box of latex gloves. I mean, not even a box, just, a couple pairs. These are great because it keeps your hands from getting dried out, and you just take them off and throw them away. And they have many purposes. You know what I mean? Free of charge. Okay, anyway, we just did a second wipe down. You'll let that dry. We're going to continue on just a little more. And then once that kind of the film is dry, I'll kind of give it a light polishing, and then that's it. And then we'll continue on, then we'll come back. So it's kind of like repetitious project here. It can be messy, that's for sure. So, if you've done it for a while, you kind of get pretty good at making less of a mess and kind of clean up after yourself. So, okay, let's keep going. So you can see how the white grout is coming through now in all the grout lines, where before it was just all glass. So you're starting to see the beautiful, what do you want? Come here. Mosaic look. Right, Taco? There you go. we have finished and completed all the grout. We polished it up as best we could today. We got to come back next week and do some little odds and ends, and then we'll give it a final polish to get any little, pieces of grout maybe that you might see. But that's it. Pretty nice, right? Right? Fabio, you want to say hello? That's it, guys. So good luck on your project. Give it a shot. Don't do it in somebody else's house. Do it in your own house the first time. All right? Because you don't want to lose any friends. But let me tell you, it is a messy job. So just make sure you have lots of floor protection and counters, covered with some paper or drop cloths. And that's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button as usual. This is a work in progress, this channel, all right? I haven't been on the air that long, so I'm working out some kinks. I'm learning how to do this. And so just be patient. And we love you guys. Peace out. Howl and Hammer, DIY Projects.